Hi there, loves, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Shawn Mkhize has been receiving a lot of backlashes from social media users accusing her that she's the main reason why her son chose to engage Tamia Low over the weekend and not the mother of his two kids, Usitelo. And of course, Shawn Mkhize addressed the issue through a statement which she wrote on her Instagram. Let us take a look at it. On the back of every eventful weekend, I would just like to set the record straight on a few things, especially after some of the false narrative put out there. And everyone must remember, I am a feminist and I will never hit any woman, but I will protect. But it's not my place to give details. Number one, I personally have no grudges or any untoward feeling against the mother of my grandkids. She's given me two beautiful grandchildren, which binds us forever, and I will always consider her to be like a daughter. Number two, nobody has been kicked out of any apartment, nor any kids been taken away from anybody. I remain committed to ensuring that my grandchildren grow up experiencing love from all sides and that they are well taken care of. Number three, as a mother, it is my job to guide and support my son's decisions. And I would like it to know that I will never choose for him. I've lived my life and learned my lesson. I will never take away the opportunity for him to live his own life and learn his lessons along the way. Number four, I have accepted the mother of my grandchildren with all her flaws, while the world was blaming me, but because I fully understand that nobody is perfect. Out of all respect for all parties involved, I will not be going into the details of their private affairs. They have both moved on with their lives and will continue co-parenting for the sake of the children. Number five, as a mother, this is one of the happiest times in my life to be able to officially welcome home a daughter in law and for the newlyweds to start a new chapter in their life. I do not want to ruin this moment for them. Thank you all for the support.